Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're learning how to create a class on Kezilla. Classes help you organize your students. All students in a class pay the same school fees. To create a class, we click Add a Class. Enter a class name and the class fee per session. The fee per session will be divided according to the number of terms in your school. Review your class details and confirm. That's it. Your class has been created and you can start registering your students. In the next video, we'll cover how to add students to your school. See you!